At the core, PCCW Global, before the acquisition of Console Connect, aspired to get into more software applications, and we were doing a little bit of it. But the acquisition of Console Connect put us straight into our tactical objective and arguably strategic objective going forward of becoming a digital platform of choice for hybrid cloud utilizations and also automated network-to-network delivery. If we were to try and just integrate Console Connect into what PCCW Global was doing, I don't think that we would achieve the same objective. We needed to really reshape the views of all of the colleagues, and we've taken two decisions. One is that we're going to move into agile-based working methodology for the entire company. That was quite a tough decision, but one that we're moving into quite well, I believe. The second is to make sure that the company understands that digital platforms, software-based platforms, are critical but not divorced from the networks. There needs to be some sort of consensus-based delivery of service to end users in the B2B space that mixes both network and platform. I think that users today are interested in making sure that their acquisition of both network and cloud applicational capability is done ubiquitously, not as separate environments. And I think that's a key driver of where we're headed. Blockchain isn't an alternative to the settlements process. Settlements process is defined. It's quite a finite environment. Blockchain is delivering an approach to automating the settlements process. And it allows us to move settlements processes from months to minutes. I think that that's the key. PCCW Global is involved at the outset of the first proof of concept together with Colt, but as I said in the presentation, we open that up to the entire industry because we don't believe that the back end is some area that one service provider or another needs to compete, but rather it's where we all need to find common ground and work together and create a governance framework that makes sense for the industry. I don't know if it's a challenge, but at the moment we're used to paper-based contracts and people settling on a bilateral basis. Having a blockchain environment allows trust to be delivered through the industry. Contracts move to become delivered through code. Effectively, we codify contracts into IT code that facilitates dispute management and resolution in a much more automated and sensible basis. And so those next steps in terms of how that's done, how the industry agrees on what the procedures are, where are the value sets that belong to the industry, how's technology managed over time, because technology will again evolve. All of these need to be agreed with a common set, and the industry is used to doing that. We've done undersea cables for hundreds of millions of dollars together. If we can build an undersea cable system, which is complex technology, I think we can agree on how to code a contract together. That's my hope, at least. Well, Peace is moving quickly. HENGTONG, which is a manufacturer of fiber systems in China, together with Huawei Marine, are building a first component of it. PCCW Global is involved actively in moving that forward. We've also publicly announced that we've agreed landing in Marseille together with Orange. We were in China a couple weeks ago together with all of the parties. Everything is moving very quickly, and we believe, as I said, that Peace will just be another step facilitating the ICT infrastructure for the One Belt, One Road economy that's moving out of Asia, and I'm very excited about it.